hindi pa buo ang sagot ko. Pero sasabihin ko na sa inyo, tinatrabaho namin yan. At kailangan na kailangan. Hindi, you know, 12 billion from a regional request of 12 billion to be reduced down to 2. 12 billion is only sufficient to maintain what we are already doing. When in fact we have to do more. So, you know that we have to figure that out. But yeah, but we are.
So yung pag-bloat ng public works budget to more than 1 trillion, what are your thoughts on that?
Well, some of we'll have to look into the details of that because there are here's the other thing, because some of the big ticket projects in public works that used to be put in the into the the unappropriated funds in the reserves. Now I'm saying, I told them, I asked the House, wag na natin kasi mabalik-balikan pa natin yan para mailagay dun sa project, which is a delay. So, because sana we normalize what we are doing so that it's already in the GAA, hindi dun sa research. So that's pinapalitan talaga natin the way we do things para maging mas mabilis ang takbo. You know, we're as of the end of the year, we're 2.5 years already. What 3.5 years left? We have to get these things done. We have to get all the structures in place already. So we're changing. But ganyan talagang budget process is a to and fro. So we will look into the insertions in the public works and see which ones are absolutely necessary. And maybe baka yung iba, titignan natin kung talaga bang critical. We'll see. But public works is still going to be one of the top recipients of budget because marami nga tayong ginagawa. We have big projects that we have to put in place. Infrastructure is really important. And don't forget, flood control became such a big part of the work of the Department of Public Works. They have to build things that we never had to build before. Binabantayan lang namin, especially the ODA project, binabantayan talaga namin is to make sure that our debt ratios are still relatively manageable. And we are. The debt ratio to the GDP now is lower than when we started 2 years ago. So it's moving in the right direction. Of course, not as quickly as I would like for it to, but may bagyo tayo, may mga ganito. Wala tayong choice. We have to spend for people, to support people pagka nalagay sila sa alangan.
But so, yes. Can we still expect despite these issues, can we still expect the signing of the budget before Christmas?
Yes. Pipilitin ko talaga that we will finish it by then.
Sir, you mentioned during that eyeing line veto. What's the avenue for legislators to fix the education budget?
No, let's leave it to them. I don't want to have that discussion here. We'll have that discussion with the BICAM essentially and the leaders of councils.